Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can figure out if your Cash App card is coming or not. So let's get right into it. Now, your Cash App card is a card that you can apply for, which pretty much functions as a normal Visa debit card. You can use it for any transaction you might want that accepts Visa as a method of payment, and it's a very useful thing to do. Now, the way that you get this card, of course, is by applying for that card. Of course, you need to have your identification verified on Cash App, and if you don't know how to do that, I do have other tutorials on my account on how you can achieve that. And once you apply for it, it should be almost instantaneously verified, and it should be shipped to your door, and it should arrive within 14 business days. Now, once you apply, as I've mentioned, it will instantaneously be approved, but it might not be shipped immediately. And to see if it's shipped to your door or not, you will see it in the options. Now, to figure out if it is shipped, what you need to do is to track your card. In the Cash app, in the bottom left of your screen, you will see this card icon. You just want to tap on that, and then it'll give you the status for tracking that card. You can monitor it, and until it says card shipped, your card still has been shipped. But if it does say shipped, it will arrive to your door, as I mentioned, within 14 business days, meaning it doesn't include weekends and holidays. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Once it arrives, you'll be able to use it freely and activate it using a QR code, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.